Why, hello again. John Silch here from Willis Allen Real Estate and Silch's World. Today I'm putting my real estate hat on again because I've got a great new listing that just came live and I'm going to take you for a tour. We're in Vista, California at 1050 Tortuga Drive. Let's go take a look. Okay, here's a map of the complex, and this particular unit is 52 and it's right here. It's got the two-car garage, and it's this whole section here, very close to the pool. Okay, let's go walk over and check it out. So this is a townhouse, 1,336 square feet. Today is a bit blustery. Just had a big storm come through, so it's a little windy. Hopefully I'm coming through okay. But yes, townhouse, 2 stories, 1,336 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. We're looking at the garage, and then that's the gated patio right there. And we're gonna walk right in and take a look. Unit 52. Okay, zoom out a little bit. All right, so this is the living room area. You can see there's a gas fireplace. And the nice thing about this is it's got these high vaulted ceilings. So lots of light, lots of space. Here we have the dining. And we'll take a quick look at the outdoor patio. Spacious patio, a lot you could do here. Maybe a little garden, maybe a hot tub of your own. And then, this is your 2-car garage. It's your standard classic 2-car garage, which is obviously a great feature to have in any home. Lots of storage. Central air and heat. Now, of course, we're looking at the kitchen. You've got gas appliances here. And then just attached to the kitchen is your laundry room. You also see the water heaters in here as well. Now, one feature that's great about this townhouse is it's got a full bedroom and full bathroom. Sorry, full bath, I should say, regular bedroom on the main level, in case you have someone who does not like stairs. You've got a room and a full bath down here. Maybe you've got an older parent or a guest. It'd be perfect. And this is a kind of a deep closet in here for storage. Okay, and we'll go upstairs. Seller's replaced flooring and has painted the entire unit, so freshened it up a bit. Here's the first bedroom. Again, you have these high ceilings, which is nice. And you've got a full bath attached. So there's 2 bedroom suites with their own baths, which is really a nice layout. This, I believe, is the master. You know, very high ceilings, lots of light. And then here's your bath. 2 sinks for you and your partner, and bath. Next, we'll go outside and check out the pool and common area. Okay, we just walked out the front door, and if you make an immediate left, you'll see you're right next to the pool and hot tub, which is very nice, very handy. It's so close to the unit. Just take a little peek. Nicely landscaped. quiet. Hello. Some great clouds today. I love that for video. So if we peek over the gate here, you'll see the pool area. There's restrooms as well. And just over here is the hot tub. This is where you would walk in. There's another view. All right, well that concludes the tour of 1050 La Tortuga Drive, Vista, California, Unit 52. We're on the market for $600,000. Again, it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath townhouse, 1,336 square feet. So I hope you enjoyed this tour, and thanks so much for watching. Peace and love.